Shadows ripple in a fractured stream. Time dissolves like a fevered dream. A whisper lost in the static's hum. Spin it backward, let it fall. No beginning, no end at all. Nebulous whispers rising tall. Fingers trace through the ghost of sound. Every echo is a tether unbound. Where does it start? Where does it go? Tall.